Want to install an air conditioner or solar panels on your property? You might need approval first. Hi everyone, I'm Tahlia from StrataGuide, here to share simple Strata tips and insights to help you stay informed. When it comes to external property changes like air conditioners, solar panels, or visible alterations, it's important to check your Strata rules before starting any work. In many Strata communities, these changes may require approval because they can affect the building's appearance, structure, safety, or even shared property areas. For example, installing an air conditioning unit may involve drilling into common walls, while solar panels can impact roofing areas shared by other residents. Even small visible changes without approval could lead to complaints, extra costs, or requests to remove the installation later on. Taking the time to ask for approval first can help you avoid disputes and make the process much smoother. Follow StrataGuide for more simple Strata tips and helpful insights. That wraps up today's episode of Let's Talk Strata. See you next time for more easy-to-understand Strata tips with StrataGuide.